Alam mo, chasing money para lang makuha yon, minsan nakakaramdam tayo ng emptiness. Kasi hindi mo naman mabibili ang mga bagay na talagang mahalaga sa buhay. Tandaan mo, ang tunay na yaman, hindi nasusukat sa pera. Ang tunay na yaman ay kalayaan o freedom. Kalayaan to live according to our wants and needs, not from the pattern of others or what is the checklist from success. Freedom to do what makes us happy. Kaya, huwag mong habulin ng pera, habulin mo ang kalayaan. Kapag pera lang ang sentro ng buhay, madalas nauuwi tayo sa pagod, fear at kakulangan na kahit may kinikita pa, parang mas lalo tayong nagiging slaves. Slaves sa oras, in other expectations, and the fear of losing. Minsan nga, habang mas desperado natin hinahabol ng pera o blessing, mas parang umiiwas ito. Not because money is bad, but because desperation comes with fear and a sense of lack. And when fear is where you are coming from, decisions are often wrong, rushed, forced, and made by compromising yourself. So make freedom your goal, kasi kapag nahanap mo ang kalayaan, doon darating ang tunay na kasiyahan.